Hey everyone, ever dreamt of harvesting fresh, crunchy asparagus right from your tiny urban garden? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm spilling the secrets on how to grow asparagus even in the smallest of spaces. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned green thumb, this video's got something for you. First things first, let's talk varieties. When you're working with limited space, you want to go for an all-male hybrid variety like Jersey Knight or Jersey Giant. Why? Because they're more productive and require less space compared to other types. Plus, they're super hardy and resistant to diseases. All right, on to planting. Asparagus loves sunlight, so pick a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sun a day. If you're planting in containers, go big. I mean a pot that's at least 18 inches deep and 24 inches wide. Asparagus roots need plenty of room to spread out. Now let's get to the soil. Asparagus thrives in well-drained soil with a pH between 6.5 and 7.5. You can easily test your soil's pH with a home testing kit. If needed, amend your soil with compost or well-rotted manure to give your plants a nutrient boost. When planting, dig a trench about 6 to 8 inches deep and create a mound in the center. Place the asparagus crowns on top of the mound, spreading the roots out evenly. Cover them with about 2 inches of soil and water well. As the shoots grow, keep adding soil until the trench is filled. Patience is key here. Asparagus is a perennial plant, so it takes about 2 to 3 years before you can start harvesting. But trust me, it's worth the wait. In the meantime, make sure to keep the soil consistently moist and weed-free. Mulching can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. One common challenge urban gardeners face is space. To maximize your growing area, consider vertical gardening. Use a sturdy trellis or fence to train your asparagus spears upwards. This not only saves space, but also improves air circulation, reducing the risk of diseases. And don't forget to fertilize. Asparagus is a heavy feeder, so apply a balanced fertilizer in early spring and again after the harvest period. Organic options like fish emulsion or compost tea work wonders. Harvesting asparagus is simple. In the third year, once the spears reach about 6 to 8 inches tall, cut them at the soil level with a sharp knife. Harvest for about 6 to 8 weeks, then let the ferns grow and replenish the plant's energy for next year. So there you have it. Growing asparagus in small urban gardens is totally doable with the right techniques. Get started now, and you'll soon be enjoying the delicious taste of homegrown asparagus. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.